If you want to make Windows a little bit more secure without having to install a third-party security program that constantly nags you and pops up with consistent messages saying upgrade now to our latest package or you're not protected, blah blah blah, then I have a fantastic program that you can install right now for free. It is obviously still a security program, but it will keep your computer protected and won't consistently hassle you with pop-ups. So the first thing that you need to do is click on the link that's in the description below. Once you have clicked on the link below, you will end up on Malwarebytes' website. So I will add 2 links in the description below. One will be an affiliate link and one will be a normal link. If you use the affiliate link, then obviously we will earn a little bit of money, and thank you for that. So you now need to go ahead and click on the free download button. And this will then take you to this page, and it should now begin to download the setup file, and there it is. Go ahead and select this, and you then need to go ahead and click on install. You then need to choose here what you're installing Malwarebytes for, so I'm doing me or my family, and go next, and it will now begin to install Malwarebytes. So the best thing about this security program is it will run alongside any other third-party security program or even Windows Security, which is the reason why we're installing this, because I'm guessing you're fed up of third-party security programs that constantly hassle you with pop-ups and things like that. And to be honest, these days Windows Security does absolutely fine at protecting Windows, and using Malwarebytes alongside of Windows just gives your computer that extra bit of protection. So we can now go ahead and click on done. So you then need to click on get started, and you then need to go maybe later. You then need to click on back, no, maybe later, and then just go open Malwarebytes, sorry. And right, this is what the program looks like. So as you can see, it's completely free, and if you do want to upgrade, then you do get the real-time protection. The only thing about the real-time protection, it can sometimes conflict with other security programs. So if you do have a third-party security program installed, then you will need to add Malwarebytes to the exception list. I will actually pop that up on the screen now so you can see, and I will pop a link in the description below. Okay, and here's the page. So if you scroll down, you can see here, if you're running another antivirus software alongside Malwarebytes for Windows, then it can obviously conflict. So all you need to do is simply add the 2 locations where Malwarebytes is installed. If you did change the location, then you would need to change that, and then you just got some files here that you also need to add to the exclude on the antivirus program. So that's pretty straightforward, and like I said, that's only if you enable the real-time protection in Malwarebytes. Okay, so back to Malwarebytes. So this is what the program looks like, and this will happily just run in the background, keeping your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computers safe and secure alongside Windows Security. So if I open up the start menu and type in Windows Security, and if I then click on Windows Security, you can see that we are still protected with the Windows Security and everything's still running there. If I go onto Manage Settings, you can see that we've still got our real-time protection. And then we've also got Malwarebytes, giving us that extra bit of protection, which is great. We didn't even have to really do too much, just go to their site, install it, and it will now just run, and it will then pop up if it ever did detect a threat. If you do want to run a scan within Malwarebytes, then all you need to do is click on Scan, and it will then begin to scan your system. You can also do a more advanced scan, so to do this all you need to do is press cancel, and if we then press done, and if we then click on scanner, not the scan button, you can then go onto advanced scanners, and you can then go configure scan, and you can choose where you would like to scan and what hard drives and stuff, and then just begin the scan. Also, if Malwarebytes does detect a threat on your system, then it will go into here, the detection history, which you can then open, and you can go onto quarantined items, and you will see the threats there, and you also have your allow list. So that does now bring me to the end of this video. I hope this video helped you out and you enjoyed it. If you liked the video, click the like button below, and if you want to see more computer sluggish videos, then click the subscribe button.